Hey guys, so how are you all doing? Hope you're all well. The previous trick wasn't anything special, and you probably didn't enjoy it much. But today's trick is quite special, and you're going to have a lot of fun, because I'm going to ask you a question, and I bet you can't answer it correctly, no matter how intelligent you are. So, watch the video till the end, and I hope you'll learn something and have a lot of fun too. So, let's start today's trick. So, the question is quite simple, folks. Here are two pieces of paper. Which one of these pieces is bigger? I have two papers in front of me, A and B. You simply have to tell me which piece of paper is bigger, okay? So, if you're thinking that piece of paper B is bigger, then hold on a second. Okay, so you thought paper B looked bigger, right? Now tell me, which piece of paper is bigger? So now basically, paper A looks bigger to you, doesn't it? But my friends, both times you've given the wrong answer. Whereas both these pieces of paper are the same size. Neither of these pieces is bigger, nor is any piece of paper smaller. You can see, both these pieces of paper are exactly the same size. So, why did your eyes get tricked too? And I told you, you wouldn't be able to answer my question correctly. So, this is basically an eye trick. It's an optical illusion. Try this at home, and with your friends too. So, that was the question part. Now, let's try something new and interesting, also with a piece of paper. Now look, friends, I've placed a piece of paper inside a square frame, okay? It's inside the square frame. Now look, I'm going to mess it up, okay? Now I'm going to put it back together again. Okay, can you now tell me where this middle hole, this gap in the paper came from? While the size of the paper is still the same, and it still fits in this square frame, just as it was before. The size of the paper hasn't increased or decreased, yet look where this square space has gone. I myself don't know this. You can see that the paper is exactly the same, and I've used the same paper, look. The paper is exactly the same and it's the size of this frame, see? Isn't that an amazing thing? Although I myself don't know the answer to where the paper from the hole went or where this hole came from in this paper. Try it at home, maybe you can figure out the answer, and if you do, be sure to write it in the comments. So, while leaving, here's another trick that's great for bothering your friends. Look, take a simple piece of paper. First fold it from this side like this, then fold it from the other side like this, okay? Now bring these two corners together like this, okay? After this, take a pair of scissors and cut it from here like this. See? Like this. Now all you have to do is simply open it up, put it to your mouth, and blow. Like this. You might not be able to hear the sound very loudly on camera, but try this at home, and believe me, it's an awesome trick to annoy your friends. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, and we'll meet in the next trick.
This amazing experiment has been done by the talented Indian YouTuber, Mr. Indian Hacker, who is known for his creative, mind-blowing tricks and viral science experiments.